Hi everyone, welcome to this colouring video. Today I'll be sharing a short tip about how to unify your colours in an image. It might seem like a complicated subject, but it's quite simple once you get it, and will really make a difference to your finished images. I'll be using an image called Moustache Placard, which can be downloaded from Twistoon.com. The link is in the description. I don't know if you've had this problem before. Maybe you've coloured an image using the Copic shades. So you've used a light blue for a pair of jeans and a darker blue to shade them, then a pink for the shirt and a dark pink for shading, yellow for the hair and dark yellow for the shades in the hair. All of it's really well coloured, but you still are not happy with your image. There's something wrong. Well, this tip could help you. So, throughout this colouring, you'll see that I'm using a purple shade all over the image. I'm using it in the hat there and in the shirt, and I've used it for the shades in the face, and I've even put some in the moustache. And when I start to colour the placard, I'll be colouring that as well with purple. This isn't because I've got a thing for purple. This is to bring different parts of the image together. This means that the face, the moustache, the shirt, the hat, even though they're coloured with different colours, they seem as if they're being hit with the same light. And this says that they exist in the same place. If you imagine that you're in a room, and that room it has an orange light, everything will have an orange tinge to it. Well, this is about the same principle. If you've used Instagram coloured filters, you're already using this tip for your photos. You'll notice that your image seems to look a bit more professional after you've added a filter, because it's taking a colour, mixing that with your photo, and so bringing all of the colours in the photo together. It doesn't have to be a shading colour either. It can be a colour that you use everywhere, like a mid-tone pink that you used in the face. In fact, when I add the blue to the shirt and to the hat, it brings those items to the picture more. I also add it to the fingers. This is the same principle. A lot of the time when I'm colouring my images, I tend to add a colour, and if it's a new colour that I've picked out of my colouring box, I'll put it a little bit of it all over the image, just so that I'm following this principle with every single colour that I use. So, I hope this little tip helps. I can't cover all of the things that I'm doing in this video, but if you saw something and you would like me to make a tip about it, please let me know in the comments. Bye!